This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Taillight bulb replacement. Open the trunk and remove the side trim panel. Disconnect the electrical connector from the bulb holder. Turn the bulb holder counterclockwise and pull it out of the housing. Then pull the bulb from the bulb holder. Insert the replacement bulb into the holder. It should snap when fully seated. Align the bulb holder tabs to the taillight housing, then turn it clockwise to lock it into place. Reconnect the electrical connector. Push the carpet trim back into place and install the plastic fasteners.